Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can redeem the finals code. First up, open your browser and then go to the search box and type id.embark.games. And then you will now be taken into this page. So you will need to log in with your account using Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. In this case, I'm going to use my Steam account. And then here, you need to sign in with your Steam app or Steam account. So sign in, and then you will need the code from the email address. So you can put in here, and then here sign into the Embark. So click sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, here you will need to create a new Embark ID if you don't have yet. So click this create a new Embark ID. And then you'll basically need to enter your date of birth and the email address. Once done, you will now be taken into this page. As you can see, under the profile section, you'll basically need to click on the redeem gift code, and then you'll now go to this page where you need to type in your finals code. So once you enter this one, then you can now look for a button which says redeem. So once you click on redeem button, your website will process your code and you should receive a confirmation indicating that your free virtual in-game goods have been added to your finals account. Or to make sure everything worked properly, log into your finals account and check for virtual items. They should automatically added and ready for you to use in-game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.